Now that you're done putting your Looxid Link together with your Vive or Vive Pro, let me show you how to set up your development environment. First things first, visit our website looxidlabs.com/looxidlink and go to our store. If you scroll further down, you will see the software that can be obtained for free. Add the core and the different applications to your cart and proceed to the checkout. After inserting the corresponding information, you will be able to download the core and the different applications that we provide. Place an order, and don't forget about the terms and conditions. And this will lead you to a new window where you will be able to download the different applications that you put into the cart. Now, let's start installing the Looxid core, which will allow you to integrate the EEG signals from the link into the VR content in Unity. The installation process is pretty simple, but it is important that you allow your system to install your program. While installing the Looxid core, you will be given the option of choosing between 50 or 60 Hz. The reason for this is that every country has a different AC frequency, so make sure that you look up into the AC frequency of your country and apply it when you're installing the core. If you selected the wrong option by mistake, don't worry, as you can change this option later on. When the core is done installing, you will see the shortcut on your desktop. And when you click on it, nothing will appear right away. On the bottom right corner, you will see the system tree. And if you look closely, you will see the Looxid Labs icon. Two items will appear, one for the application that you're connecting to, and one for the connection status of the link to your device. If you need help choosing the notch filter, go to Need Help in the system tray, and this will lead you to a page where you can find your country and see the AC frequency it has. Now, if you want to make use of our SDK, adjust our apps, and/or create your own apps, you can download the Unity packages for our SDK and some of the examples from our GitHub repository. Before anything, you will have to visit the Unity website and download the Unity program. Once you're done downloading it, open it and head over to the Window tab and go to Asset Store. Search for Steam VR and click on the plugin to download it. Make sure that you import all the files it tells you to import. Now, go to our GitHub repository page and download the latest Looxid Link Unity SDK package. Go to Assets and then import the package. Proceed by creating a C# script, and let's call it demo for simplicity's sake. Double click on it and the script window will open. To make a demo that uses the capacities of the Looxid Link, make sure to add using Looxid.link, and under void start add the Looxid Link manager.instance.initialize and save it. Click on play and the Steam VR window will pop up. In the Hierarchy tab, click on Main Camera and drag the demo file from the Project tab to the Inspector tab. Then click on Play, and this way you can check that your link is connected to the demo which you created. If you do so, you will notice that in the Systems tray that the core recognizes your demo app. In our GitHub repository page, you can also download the example packages and customize them according to your needs after you import them. So make sure you take a look into that. Let me also show you our 2D visualizer, which can also help you see if your Looxid Link is working properly. You'll notice that the 6 sensors will be purple if placed properly. Then go to the Raw Data tab and see that each sensor is receiving data in real time. If your signal is too thick, then you might have to try readjusting your headset or clean the sensors with a wipe. Also, clean your forehead as any extraneous substance might affect the data quality and the performance of the EG sensors. You can also take a look at the different tabs in the app. For example, in the mind indexes, you can see your attention levels as well as your relaxation levels and left and right brain activity. In the feature indexes, you'll be able to see the different frequencies for each sensor on your mask. This concludes the software installation and development environment setup. I hope that this video was helpful, and if you have any other questions, please contact us at support@looxidlabs.com. Don't forget to like this video, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye!